A bicep workout is a great way to enhance arm strength and achieve a more muscular, defined look. Exercise such as barbell curl, alternative dumbbell curl, hammer curl, and pitcher curl isolate the bicep muscle for maximum growth. Performing this movement with controlled tempo and correct form helping better muscle engagement while preventing injuries. Progressive overload, where you gradually increase weight or repetition, is the key to continuous improvement when supported by proper nutrition, hydration, and recovery. A bicep workout not only boosts arm size and enhance but also improve overall upper body performance. A bicep workout helps in a building bigger, strong, and more defined arm by focusing directly on the bicep muscle. Popular exercises such as dumbbell curl, chain up, arm, hammer curl, and correction curl are effective of editing both size and strength.
Don't remember life before you, that's facts. I feel good, you look great, I like you, I can't wait. A first time, a first date, you're so fine, I'm so late. You sip wine, I drink straight, don't waste time to my place. I feel my heart erase, so catch me if I fall.